It's your dog. You alone?
His hustle and his will, that's what got him over. Thought I was never coming home when they pulled me over. Should've listened when OG pulled my shoulder. Rambo knife is snapping you when I pull you closer. A murder on the block for the day we closed up. She came back and kept the change. I told her clean her nose up. Text in the basement, we was more than flagrant. Weak link on the team, federal agents. Like the jar insisted, now we all pickled. He say he was a gangster, we was all tickled. Or step up in the ring, I'll spar with you. Razor coming for my tongue, take this scar with you. You know, Lil the real thing, niggas artificial. Pull out and hit you, I wouldn't argue with you. I smack your bitch in the face and tell her go and get you. Broad day SK if I go against you.
Lifestyles of the rich and dangerous. Lifestyles of the rich and dangerous.
It's like Picasso paintings, it's like a hidden language. Dropped a tear when grandma died, but I know she painless. Everybody don't slip, the crime scene was heinous. I told the chick, hurry up, you know my time it ranges. Had to build to destroy, it was time for changes. He kinda Philly, dark low, you know he kinda famous. Was in the newest caddy with the finest maintenance. In the rush to some money, had to find my patience. It was Netflix and chill, with your girl we stayed in. He was grilled by detectives for his man he gave in. It was nothing like a fart when they raid, I broke wind. Closed casket, a good move, you get a broken chin. 100 years facing, I never spoke then. When they told me Ro got killed, had to let it soak in. V-Don cooked it up, then he told me go in. Lil' mama spread her legs, then she told me go swim.
I can assure you my intentions are strictly honorable.
The game is rigged, but you cannot lose if you do not